Net1 UEPS Technologies provides payment solutions and transaction processing services.
Right, this is a bigger company than people normally realize, and that's partly because it's principally listed on the Nasdaq, and then it has a secondary listing here in South Africa. So the founder, Serge Bellamont, and his controlling consortium engineered that globalization of the company. But it's a big player on a global basis as well as in South Africa.
Market cap 9 billion rand, no PE ratio, currently does not pay any dividends. Let's get your thoughts, Lance, on this one.
So it's an interesting business because it has got quite a developed world focus, but it's a little bit of an unloved stock. And the main reason is because of the grant payment contract that it has in South Africa. A lot of uncertainty. It actually holds that contract, but that contract is in dispute at the moment. And they had to almost reapply for the contract, which they didn't do, but they still have the actual contract. So a very strange situation. And the problem is this is a large part of their earnings. And if it gets taken away, then it will create quite a big hole. IFC just invested over $100 million into the business at an valuation 20% higher than their market cap. So a very difficult one to read. Buying back shares at a discount, issuing shares at a premium, this uncertain contract. Overall, quite a nice spread of assets, though.
Nice assets. Is that, are they being reflected in the share price?
It had a big dive when the news broke about the Constitutional Court decision that the SASSA contract had to be revisited. But remember, the core technology are these cards. It's a card-based solution which they give to people who are pension and social grant recipients. It operates offline, but the value is loaded on the card, but you can use it at a point of sale. So basically you can give people a card which has got 1,000 Rand on it if you're a pensioner, and then you can use that at stores. In addition to that, they're quite a big player globally in online payment solutions, mobile pay solutions. They've got a big business in Korea. They've got Zazu in the UK.
Maybe we don't spend enough time talking about.
You know, we love Visa and all
like
of those kind of online payment situations. So why don't we like this one? Well, partly because of the liquidity issues, and partly because, as Lance said, it has had earnings volatility, and there is a bit of a cloud over it with this contract dispute.
Hot or not on this one, Lance?
I like the valuation and the space and the mixture of assets, so I'll take a chance. Hot on this one.
Well, do you reiterate
I've
the
always been a
stance
bit
that Lance has put forward?
ambivalent, but looking a little bit more closely at the company website in preparation for the show, I must say, if you add up all of the bits that they're doing, if they can just produce a period of sustained earnings, because the revenue line grows, but the reported US dollar profits have been a bit wobbly, I would say they have potential to be hot. So let's put our necks out and go hot on this one.
We're going hot.